Welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna go through 2.3 example number one. And that's asking us to find the average rate of a table given function. And so let's jump in. So the following table shows the daily receipts in millions of dollars for the movie The Hunger Games after its opening on 23 March 2012. So here we can see that the first column tells the number of days after the opening, and the right side tells us the millions of dollars generated that day. So 33.111, that's number the millions of dollars in receipts. All right, so the question is to find the average rate of change of the daily receipts from 28 to the day 70. So please know that this is not just a rate of change, right? Because that would have been the same thing as finding the instantaneous rate of change. They're asking us to find the average rate of change, so that's actually when we have to use this function. So what I would suggest here is to always write down the formula. So average And so the formula for this is f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. So what is b and what is a in this example? So think about that. These are your a's, right? Your input, and your output, right? So if you think about it that way, output. Right, so input is your A's, all right, input, output. Okay, so there we go. So we're gonna find, let's set it up. So let's say, well, this is your first one, so that's your first value, so that's your A, and your B is going to be 70. So we're gonna go ahead and change that. Let's go ahead and replace that in there, and this will be F of B, which in this case is 70, minus F of A, which is in this case A is 28, right? 70, B is 70, A is 28, and the goal is to simplify this, right? So first, we already know what the bottom will be, right? That's kind of obvious, 70 over 28. So let's just carry that for now. But what we need to figure out is what is f of 70. So again, this is the output of having an input of 70. If we look over here, when the input is 70, the output is 1.567. So that means that the output of f of 7, or f of 7, is the output of 1.567. Let's put some parentheses. Minus the output of 28. So if we look over here, we see the 28's right there, and the output is going to be 14.666. 14.666. Right, so let's do that as well. And this is a place where we're just going to put it in the calculator. So we're going to end up getting in the numerator, this is going to be negative 13.099 all over 42, right? 70 minus 28 is 42. And then put this in the calculator, and this will give you negative 0.3118, right? And that's it, right? So the average rate of change, so this is saying that the average rate of change, the average sale of tickets is negative 0.3118 million per day. Right, so the average sale of tickets is negative $0.3118 million per day. So what this is saying is that the rate of change, the rate of selling tickets per day is decreasing in average, right? Is decreasing in average. So that means that that that's selling less, right? That's selling less. It's selling of tickets is decreasing per day. All right. So I hope you guys find this helpful.